Roy again. Just finished some welding on this Oliver 88 standard for the 3-point lift assembly I've been working on today. Since there's no loads to haul, I gotta try to save money since I'm not earning. Got this one all welded together and bolted on first after all the cutting, welded together. And in order to do that, I made a little template by laying the old piece, one of them from this here side, from the right side, down on that cardboard, marked around the edges, marked the holes, and then I cut smooth on this left side here to make certain I had the exact right cuts there. The other side wasn't quite as urgent, so it went basically like this here, and then punched through there so I'd be able to center punch the holes, and those two turned out just right. I checked and double checked using the same template for this side, putting it the other direction. Those turned out just right. I used a cheap little drill press with a smaller than 5/16 inch drill to put pilot holes, and then put the 5/8 drill in there, and of course used plenty of cutting oil to drill those holes. Then bolted tight here with it nice and flush together. Did a single bead with the 6011 all-purpose welding rod, and then went back over it with a 7018 to strengthen it up more. It doesn't look real pretty, but it's got good penetration on there. It'll hold nicely. I had mentioned that I wanted to put plate on top of here to strengthen this so it couldn't rip open like the old one did. Well, I can't quite do that. I forgot how some of this is, because since this goes outwards, that leaves a rounded pipe right smack against above those bolt holes. But I've got an idea that may help support it some with some of the other leftover material. I can take, if I can fit my hand in here some way, basically down a little bit lower like that. I may be able to weld that in place, but the next step will be to get that rested up here in place, mark where my holes need to be, center punch it, and then take it off, take these to the drill press, and be able to drill them much easier than me trying to force a drill through there. But that's not going to happen today. It's evening already, and time to put up a whole bunch of tools and get everything secure. So thanks for watching. Hope it was a little bit informative, or at least entertaining.